Hello dear student, in the previous lecture we discussed about general form of AP. Now today we learn about use of AP. So first we recall general form of AP is denoted by AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A denote first term, D that means common difference, and N that means total number of term or number of term. Now last term which is sometimes also denoted by L. Okay, so last term is denoted by AN or last term is denoted by L. Now example number 3, find the 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12. So here value of A, first term of AP, A is equal to 2, common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Value of A2 is equal to 7 minus A1 is equal to 2. So value of D, common difference D is equal to 5. Total number of term N is equal to 10th term. So N equal to 10. So by using the general form of AP, okay, so we have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, value of N is equal to 10 for 10th term. Value of A is equal to 2 plus N minus 1, 10 minus 1, common difference D is equal to 5. So 2 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 into 5. 2 plus 9 5 is 45 is equal to 47. So value of A10 is equal to 47. Therefore the nth term, that means the 10th term of the given AP is 47. Now example number 4, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81, also is any term 0. Okay, so मुझे यहाँ पे चेक करना है कि ये जो AP दिया हुआ है उसमें 81 कौन सा टर्म होगा, ये मुझे फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो बाय यूजिंग अ जनरल फॉर्म, वैल्यू ऑफ A, फर्स्ट टर्म वैल्यू ऑफ A is equal to 21. For common difference D, we know that D is equal to A2 minus A1. Value of A2 is equal to 18 minus value of A1 is equal to 21. So common difference D is equal to minus 3. Suppose last term AN is equal to minus 81. Now find value of N. So by using general form of AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Value of AN is equal to minus 81. Because of 81 के लिए चेक करना है कि 81 कौन सा टर्म है. Minus 81 is equal to value of A is equal to 21. First term of AP is equal to 21. N, total number of term N find करना है हमें. Common difference D minus 3. ओके, सो माइनस 81 कौन सा टर्म होगा N, वो हमें फाइंड करना है. माइनस 81 माइनस 21 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 इन अ ब्रैकेट N minus 1. Minus 81 minus 21 is equal to minus 3 in a bracket N minus 1. So minus 81 minus 21 is equal to minus 3 multiply with N, minus 3N, minus minus plus 3. So minus 81 minus 21 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. So 80 minus 81 minus 21 minus 3 minus 105 is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus cut. So 105 is equal to 3n. So 3n is equal to 105. N is equal to 105 divided by 3. N is equal to 35. So 35th term of AP is minus 81. Therefore 35th term of the given AP is minus 81. Now for 0, take n is equal to 0. First term of AP, A is equal to 21. Common difference, D is equal to minus 3. By using a general form of AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of An is equal to 0. Value of A is equal to 21. First term of AP, A is equal to 21. And find करना है. Common difference D is equal to minus 3. 21 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. So minus 21 is equal to minus 3 n minus 1. So minus 21 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 3n minus minus plus 3. So minus 21 plus 3 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. So minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 21 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus cut. 24 is equal to 3n. So 3n is equal to 24. N is equal to 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So the eighth term of the given AP is 0. Now example number 5. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. हमें यहाँ पे AP फाइंड करना है जिसका थर्ड टर्म हो 5 एंड सेवंथ टर्म हो 9. थर्ड टर्म ऑफ AP is equal to 5. So A3 is equal to 5. Seventh term of AP is equal to 9. So A7 is equal to 9. By using a general form of AP, A3 is equal to A plus 2D and A3 is equal to 5. So A plus 2D is equal to 5 and A7 is equal to A plus 6D is equal to 9. So first equation, A plus 2D is equal to 5, number 1, and second, A plus 6D is equal to 9, number 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, by using elimination method, A plus 2D is equal to 5, A plus 6D is equal to 9. Minus minus minus, A cancel. 2D minus 6D minus 4D is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cut. 4D is equal to 4. So D is equal to 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now from equation number 1, A plus 2 times D is equal to 5. A plus value of D is equal to 1 is equal to 5. A plus 2 ones are 2. is equal to 5. So A is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So here value of A, first term of AP, value of A is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to 1. Now for AP, first term A1 is equal to A is equal to 3. For second term A2 is equal to A plus D. Value of A is equal to 3, common difference D is equal to 1. So value of A2 is equal to 4. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Value of A is equal to 3 plus 2 times value of common difference D is equal to 1. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Value of A3 equal to 5. Now for A4, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Value of A is equal to 3 plus 3 times common difference D is equal to 1. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Hence the required AP is 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Now example number 6, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. ओके, सो मुझे चेक करना है फॉर 301 कि 301 AP का कौन सा टर्म होगा, ये हमें चेक करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ AP A1 is equal to A is equal to 5. Now for common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term of AP A2 is equal to 11 minus first term of AP is a 5. So 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now by using a general form of AP, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Suppose value of AN is equal to 301. So 301 is equal to first term A is equal to 5. N हमें फाइंड करना है, so N minus 1. Common difference D is equal to 6. So 301 minus 5 is equal to 6 into N minus 1. So 296 is equal to N 6 N minus 1. So 296 is equal to 6 N minus 6. So 296 plus 6 is equal to 6N. 296 plus 6 is equal to 302 is equal to 6N. So 6N is equal to 302. So value of N is equal to 302 divided by 6 is equal to 151 divided by 3. So it's not possible. Value of N is equal to 151 divided by 3. So 301 is not a term of the given list of numbers. Now example number 7, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. मतलब हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि 2 डिजिट में ऐसे कितने नंबर है जो 3 से डिविजिबल है. ओके, 2 डिजिट नंबर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 10 एंड at 99. So 12 is the first number which is divisible by 3. So 2 digit first number 12 which is divisible by 3. Next number is 15, third number is 18 and up to 2 digit last number 99 which is divisible by 3. So here AP will be 12, 15, 18 up to so on 99. So first term of AP A1 is equal to A is equal to 12. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. value of a2 is equal to 15 minus a1 is equal to 12. So d is equal to 3. Last term an is equal to l is equal to 99. Last term is denoted by an or l. So an is equal to l is equal to 99. So we have general form of AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of an last term is equal to 99. Value of a first term of AP is equal to 12. So value of a equal to 12. n हमें फाइंड करना है. So n minus 1. Common difference d is equal to 3. 99 is equal to 12 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3. 99 is equal to 12 minus 3, 9 plus 3n. So 99 minus 9 is equal to 3n. 99 minus 9, 90 is equal to 3n. So 3n is equal to 90. So value of n is equal to 90 divided by 3 is equal to 30. Okay. So there are 30 two-digit numbers divisible by 3. Now next, in a flower bed there are 23 rows plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rows plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower bed? So हमें यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ओके. So the number of rows plants in the first, second, third up to so on rows are 23, 21, 19, and for last row 5. Okay. So AP will be 23, 21, 19 up to so on 5. Value of A1, first term A1 is equal to A is equal to 23. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Value of A2 is equal to 21 minus value of A1 is equal to value of A is equal to 23. So 21 minus 23 is equal to minus 2. Last term an is equal to 5. So by using a general form of AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of an is equal to 5. First term a is equal to 23 plus n हमें फाइंड करना है. So n minus 1 and common difference d is equal to minus 2. So 5 minus 23 is equal to minus 2 in a bracket n minus 1. 5 minus 23 minus 18 is equal to minus 2 n minus 1. So minus 18 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. Minus plus. Minus 18 minus 2 is equal to minus 2n. So minus 18 minus 2 is equal to minus 20 is equal to minus 2n. Minus cut. So 20 is equal to 2n. So 2n is equal to 20. Value of n is equal to 20 divided by 2. So n is equal to 10. Value of n is equal to 10. Therefore, so there are 10 row in the flower bed. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.